Are you still literally flushing your money down the toilet? The average American spends over $100 a year on toilet paper. And let's be honest, dry paper doesn't actually clean you, it just smears things around. Think about the peanut butter test. If you got peanut butter on your arm, would you wipe it with a dry paper towel? No, it would be a mess. You would wash it with water. Why do we treat the most sensitive part of our body any differently? Today, we are upgrading your bathroom for under $50. We are talking about a bidet attachment, specifically, the Luxe Bidet NEO 120. This isn't one of those $6,000 smart toilets. This is a simple, mechanical device that fits under your existing toilet seat. It requires no electricity and no batteries. The best part? You don't need a plumber. It installs in about 15 minutes with just a screwdriver and a wrench. You just connect it to your toilet's water supply, and you are good to go. So why switch? First, hygiene. A targeted stream of water cleans you completely. Second, the environment. You will reduce your toilet paper usage by 80%. And third, savings. This device pays for itself in a few months. A common question is the water cold? Yes, it uses room temperature water, but trust me, and the 100,000 reviews on Amazon, it is refreshing, not shocking. The Luxe NEO 120 also features a self-cleaning nozzle that retracts when not in use, keeping everything sanitary. Stop settling for dry paper. It's unhygienic, wasteful, and expensive. Join the revolution and upgrade your bathroom today. Check the link in the description below to get the best price on the Luxe Bidet NEO 120 and read my full review on the blog. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart home upgrades.